Alright guys, this is iPhone X and it's here for a battery replacement. I've already taken it apart. Next thing is, this is our replacement battery. This is our old battery. Let's put it in, power on the phone and show you the result. So our battery, we peel off this cover right here, and they were kind enough to provide sticky pads. So let me see what's the orientation. So I think they will sit in place like this. That means, yeah, I'll wait for the result. Expose this. Now I'm going to place it. Sticky. Now we are going to align it, but we'll first hold on plugging it in because we'll need to place the screen in place. So I think this is roughly, but I'm just plugging to be sure that it fits. Now I can unplug it. Normally when you're attaching back components, make sure the battery is out